Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. Having everything measured and ready before you start cooking is key to a smooth process. A good, heavy-bottomed saucepan will also make a big difference. Now, let's start cooking. Combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in the saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir this mixture gently, just until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This initial stirring helps ensure an even syrup. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, it's crucial to stop stirring. This prevents the sugar from crystallizing on the sides of your pan, which can ruin your caramel. The magic happens next. Continue cooking the sugar syrup without any stirring. You'll notice it start to bubble and then gradually change color. Keep a very close eye on it, as it can go from perfect to burnt in mere seconds. We're looking for a beautiful, rich amber or deep golden brown color, similar to a copper penny. This usually takes about 8 to 12 minutes. As soon as it reaches that perfect shade, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Now for the final, delicious steps. Very carefully and slowly, whisk in your 1/2 cup of warm, heavy cream into the hot caramel. Be cautious, as it will bubble up vigorously. Keep whisking until it's fully incorporated. Next, add the 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, stirring until everything is smooth and melted. Let the caramel cool for about 20 minutes before pouring it into a heat-proof jar. Enjoy your homemade, rich caramel sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.